Hey, in today's review, guys, I'm going to review a air horn train kit. It's made by CARFKA, and it's actually going to be installed on this golf cart. I wanted something exciting and fun to install on a golf cart because we have so much fun, create so much memory with the kids with this. So I want to install something that's loud and fun. You know, how often do you actually use a horn on this? Not very often. So when I do want to use it, I'm going to use it and make an impact, right? A loud sound. So it's this car horn or air train car horn sounds like a train. So it's 150 decimal. It's actually pretty loud. It's made out zinc, and they come with in black and actually in chrome. So if you want chrome and you want to show it off, you can actually install it on top of your golf cart or wherever, but in this case I'm going to install it underneath the golf cart. That's the reason why I got black. So let's see what else it came with. Came with an air compressor here, guys. Look, this mini heavy duty air compressor. This is an upgrade version, so it's pretty easy to install too. And then here's your relay and wire harness, guys. And let's open the wire harness here. Your relay. Now this actually goes, if you install this on your car, you just hook this up into the front of your car. So wherever, like a vehicle that has a relay. If you don't, it came with this piece here where you just snap it on. Do that. And then in my case, this is how I'm gonna install it because I don't have a relay on my golf cart. And once you install it like that, this goes, let me see here. This actually, the yellow wire goes onto the compressor on the positive here. Then you got your black wire that will go onto your negative battery. So pretty, again, like I mentioned earlier, it's not that hard to install this. Just a little bit of wiring. You're familiar with just a couple wiring, positive, negative. You should have no problem installing. And this goes to your positive, okay, battery, negative. And this is for your horn. It goes to your horn. You're gonna put into, again, this is your relay. If you don't have it, actually I had to go out and buy this. This is a horn, and you just install the wires into these. And there's a diagram for this. And I have a link all below for you guys, all this product. But yeah, it's pretty simple, guys. And once you get that on here, and then you hooked, you see here, the compressor came with tube here. See that? Here's your where the air comes out. You just install that on there, and you install the other end onto here, and that's it, guys. That's how you install it. This is actually made out of metal, guys. It's zinc metal, and it's heavy duty, weather resistance. Also, the compressor is very heavy duty, weather resistance too. So it's been upgraded from the review. It's been upgraded. It's a 12-volt system, so don't forget about that, guys. Now, when you install it, make sure your golf cart can handle the 12-volt. In my case, I had to buy a reducer going from 48 volts down to 24 volts, so it's able to handle items like this. Because if you don't, you can blow your compressor. Okay, so make sure you double check with that. Again, I have all the information, all those items that you need to install down in the description below, so that will help you a lot. But yeah, I recommend the product. I do believe this is going to be a good item, and for about 30 bucks you get a whole kit. It's simple to install. It's nice, easy. Again, if you want some to show, they sell in chrome. If you want to show the horn, in my case I'm just gonna hide it. So that's the reason why I got black. Again, not bad of an item for $30. And then again, it's, you know, some fun to add on to the golf cart. Okay, until next review, guys. Until next time, take care. And oh, I forgot to tell you, do check other golf cart videos out. Have like a lead acid conversion to lithium. That one was a real great investment that we did change. It helped reduce 300 pounds, guys, over 300 pounds weight reduction. The golf cart drives a lot quicker and faster. So check out that video. Okay, until next time, bye now, take care. And then we're gonna test out the horn. I also installed the horn here. This is a train horn, guys. Very nice. Sure to get people attention, right? Well, at least he's not scared, right? Sebastian's not scared. So the key to this, guys, here is your compressor here. I'm gonna start off showing you guys the compressor, how it's hooked up. You got your negative. Your negative goes to your reducer in a negative. You can see it, negative. And you wanna make sure it's hooked up to the reducer, because if you hook it straight up to the lithium battery, it's gonna blow the compressor because it's not gonna be able to handle, it's too high a voltage, right? So once you hook it up to negative, here's your positive of the compressor. Positive goes to the positive button of the wire. In this case, this button right here, you guys see it? Okay. Hook it up to that yellow wire is the positive. Next is your green. Your green's gonna be your positive. So it's gonna run green, run. You follow, if you here, you see that green, white in this case. I'm running it as a white wire. It goes to positive. Yeah, straight to reducer. Positive, straight to reducer. I know it's a little bit confusing, but it works. So just follow me here. Next is you got your black. Okay. Also, your black wire has to run into. Your black and yellow has to run into the positive. Okay, again, this is the positive. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. But if you run it like that, I'm gonna run it one more time here, guys. The confusing part is this part right here. Make sure your yellow, your positive, your black, and your yellow runs back to here. And then once you do that, you connect it like that, it should work. Okay.